Welcome back to River Funsies. And on this episode, we're going to be doing some urban hunting in the suburbs. And, it's something you got to keep in mind when you are hunting in a neighborhood. You don't want to make a lot of noise. So what's something quiet? A snare. So I started having quite a few problems with rabbits eating vegetables in my garden and chewing the bark off small trees I'd planted. And, I started looking around. And I could see their trails going in and out of the fence. There's one with, you can see a little bit of rabbit poop in the picture. So I took some old fishing tackle, some old wire leads, and see what I could catch. Set up a few snares. They're not locking snares, so they're pretty loose. And had 3 or 4 different snares set up for the first couple nights just to see what would happen. A lot of them were moved out of the way or pushed out of the way. But I ended up getting one. And the rabbit was still alive, had to dispatch it, and you break their necks, and they die very quickly. It's pretty humane. But I didn't want to just throw the whole rabbit away, so I decided to skin it. And if you skin it properly, you can save the hides. I didn't want to put all that information on here, all that graphic detail of tearing a rabbit apart. But within a few days, about 10 days, I caught 5 rabbits. And even after that, there's still rabbits all over the neighborhood. I don't think I really put a dent in the population. And rabbit, it tastes delicious. These are cottontail rabbits, eastern cottontails. And soaked this one in milk overnight. And then chicken fried it, just like chicken or steak or fish. And I overcooked it a little bit just because I don't want to catch a parasite or anything like that. It is a wild animal. And here's the salted pelt. It's drying with the iodized salt on it, and I'll get some more, and I don't know what I'll do with it. But I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a good one.